Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be transforming my entrepreneur t-shirt into a bodysuit. Stay tuned. What you're going to need is a t-shirt. You can use a previous bodysuit, some pins, and some scissors. So we is going to get it popping right now. So first I'm going to lay out my shirt and turn it inside out. Make sure your shirt is turned inside out, please. Now you're going to lay out your t-shirt, turn inside out, make sure it's pressed out, no lumps, wrinkles, lines. And now we're going to place the bodysuit on top of the t-shirt, and we're going to pin that down so we can cut out the exact pattern of the bodysuit. And now we're ready to start cutting. Well, I started cutting, but I did the other side so you guys could see exactly how I did it. I just followed the pattern and cut around the bodysuit. Now I'm going to cut the straps and the neckline out. You just want to follow the line around the neckline. Make sure you cut real neat. Forgot what I was about to say. But make sure you cut real neat. I hope you got a steady hand. Okay, we have our bodysuit all cut out. Now it's time to sew. I'm gonna sew down each side. So after I sew down each side, I will be right back. Okay, I've sewed down each side and I went on ahead and sewed the crotch together. I forgot to tell you guys that, but you could do anything you want with the crotch. You could do Velcro, you could do snaps, or you could just sew it like I did. But yeah, just make it your own, and I guarantee you it will turn out what? The bomb. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to hem around the armhole and my neck hole. And this is the finishing product, you guys, after I have hemmed the armholes and the neck hole. And as you see, your girl has did it again. Thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all like this and I hope y'all try it. You could do it with any t-shirt, but since I'm representing my brand, Entrepreneur Her, this is the t-shirt I decided to use. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.